Masarap akong magluto.
I'm delicious. I can cook sweet.
I delicious to cook.
I yummy cook food.
I am good for cooking.
Antay.
Very sweet your cook.
Very sweet your cook.
Okay.
Translate to English. Masarap ba akong kasama?
I'm so yummy. I'm so yummy.
No. Masarap ba akong kasama?
I'm sweet.
Wow. Masarap ba akong kasama?
I'm delicious.
I'm delicious.
Masarap ba akong kasama? Sige. Ha? Sweet boy. Hey, masarap ba akong kasama?
Nice to be with me.
Medyo wrong pero pwede lang i-consider. I-answer na, I'm nice to be with.
3,000.
Oh! 100 na nila Maneng. Kakayanin ko kahit mahirap.
3,
3.
2, 1.
Yan. Mali. Kakayanin ko kahit mahirap.
3.
Like to. I like.
I like. Kakayanin ko kahit mahirap.
3.
I don't need.
Ha? 3.
2.
2. Kakayanin ko kahit mahirap.
I can do it even very hard.
No. Kakayanin ko kahit mahirap.
I can do it even if difficult.
Pwede na.
3,000.
Naligo ka na ba? Naligo ka na ba?
I can take a bath.
Mali!
Wrong.
Wrong pala.
Naligo.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
You gonna, wait, ano?
Naligo ka na ba?
You gonna take a bath.
Ha?
You gonna take a bath.
Mali. Naligo ka na ba?
You take a bath.
Mali.
You already take
3. Oh, wala pa yung sagot. 3. 2.
1.
1.
Palis.
Naligo ka na ba?
You wash now.
Naligo ka na ba?
You wash now.
You wash na. Hindi. Tama! Pakasagot ba?
3,000 na rin.
Ready? Mahal mo pa ba ako?
3.
Ha?
Still love me?
Ano?
You still love me?
Kurang! Mahal mo pa ba ako?
3.
3.
2.
Love you.
I love you. Wala, sa likod. Mahal mo pa ba ako?
Do you still love me?
Ayun, do you still love me? Oh, wala.
1.
Awango.
20. Hilay! Masarap akong magluto.
I'm delicious.
I'm delicious. Mali! Masarap akong magluto.
I can cook delicious food.
Mali.
I can cook delicious.
Mali.
I can cook yummy.
I can cook sweet.
Masarap ako magluto.
3. 2. I delicious to cook. Bobo.
I yummy cook food.
I am good for cooking.
Did you say? Masarap.
Sweet your cook.
Antay.
Very sweet your cook.
Very sweet your cook.
Tausa eh.
Tausi.
Tausa eh.
Antay.
I can cook yummy food.
Siret. I cook well. Nagsimple lang pa.
Hindi, tausa aja.
Okay. May mahal ka na bang iba?
3,
You have another love?
Lola, may mahal ka na bang iba?
3,
3.
Up.
Up.
Na, balik. Merry Christmas.
New Year.
May mahal ka na bang iba?
Do you have another one? Do you have another loved one?
Mali.
Do you love another?
Mali. May mahal ka na bang iba?
Did you have another love?
Mali. May mahal ka na bang iba?
3,
3.
2,
Do you love another one?
Mali. May mahal ka na bang iba?
Do you love me? Do you love me anymore?
Do you have any love?
Madang.
May mahal ka na bang iba?
Do you have love special someone?
Ha? Na.
Do you have love special someone?
Wala nalipatan dyan, sir.
May mahal ka na bang iba?
You love another girl?
Sirit na.
I know.
Do you have a mistress?
Mali.
Do you have another love?
Sirit.
Do you have another mistress?
Mali. Ang sagot. Are you in love with someone else?
Agamen.
Masaya ka ba sa feeling ko?
You happy with me?
Are you happy with me?
Correct! Spin! Pwede ka na. Naka-kwarintan. Ikaw lang sapat na.
You're more than enough.
Ikaw lang sapat na.
You are enough?
Kurang.
You're enough.
Kurang.
You're one enough.
You're enough in love.
Ikaw lang sapat na.
You're enough one.
You're enough two.
Bobo.
You're enough one. Ikaw lang sapat na.
You enough?
You're enough. Kurang lang ba si Tajen?
You're enough and me?
Muntik na.
You're enough one?
Wala. Pwede.
You are enough with me?
Mali.
You enough with me?
Mali. Gusto yanan.
You're enough with me.
Palitan nyo yung weed.
You're enough with me.
Mali. Sirit na. Palitan nyo lang yung weed.
You're more than enough.
Mali.
You are enough in me?
You're enough.
Siret. You're enough for me. What's up mga Lods? Maglalaro na naman nga ako dito ng Epoch Game. Ayan. Alam niyo ba mga Lods na lagi ako nananalo dito? Halos sumabot na nga yung panalo ko dito ng... Ayan mga Lods, halos sumabot na yung panalo ko dito ng 445,000. Ayan mga Lods. Tsaka sobrang dami mong pagpipili ang laro na ginawa si Epoch Game. Ayan, ito ngayon lagi kong nilalaro dito mga Lods, si Mix77 kasi lagi ako nananalo dito. Nagbibet nga lang ako dito mga Lods ng tigwa 100 lang. Spin check tayo, spin check. Ayun, boom! Nanalo agad tayo ng 400 pesos. Ganun lang siya kadali mga Lods. Tara, mag-spin ulit tayo. Spin check! Uy, ayan, nanalo ulit tayo ng 240 pesos mga lods. Ayan oh. Ganun lang kadali nga sadya maglaro at manalo dito sa Epoch Game mga lods. At kung gusto mo ning manalo at maglaro, yung link mga lods kung paano mo i-download si Epoch Game nasa comment section. Download mo na si Epoch Game.